Here is the first belief that makes Pinoy sellers champions. Okay? Belief in yourself. Okay? And that is basically self-confidence. Kailangan natin magkaroon ng self-confidence. Kailangan natin magkaroon ng mataas na self-esteem if we are going to be successful in convincing and persuading other people to buy the right kind of products from us. Diba? Now, the question is, how do you develop that belief in yourself? Unang-una, learn. Continuously learn so that you will have new knowledge, new information, and new ideas. Not only for your profession as a sales professional, but more so as a person. Diba? Mas marami tayong alam, mas marami tayong naiintindihan, mas mataas ang ating kumpiyansa sa ating sarili. Belief in ourselves.